Why rent a weekend at the beach when you can own this lifestyle here at the Crossway? Steps from the sand, minutes from downtown, close to the pier, we're surrounded by everything Cocoa Beach has to offer. Enjoy amenities like a heated pool, secure lobby, clubhouse, and private beach access. All in a relaxed coastal setting. Ready for your place at the beach? Let's make it happen. I'm Bobby Freeman with McCoy Freeman Compass.